Top 5 facts about our Earth. Fact number 1. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has liquid water on its surface, which makes it a unique and hospitable place for life as we know it. Fact number 2. Earth is the largest of the terrestrial planets in our solar system and is the only planet that has a single large moon, which is believed to have formed as a result of a giant impact early in Earth's history. Fact number 3. Earth's atmosphere is composed of a unique mixture of gases, including nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and trace amounts of other gases, which help to support life and protect the planet from harmful radiation. Fact number 4. Earth has a powerful magnetic field that is generated by its spinning metallic core, which helps to protect the planet from the solar wind and other harmful particles from space. Fact number 5. Earth has a diverse and complex ecosystem that includes millions of different species of plants and animals, many of which are still being discovered and studied by scientists. The interactions between these different species help to maintain the delicate balance of life on our planet.